Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today is Wednesday, the 12th of December, and boy oh boy, I have some stuff to show off. I don't know what's in this package, it's just arrived, and I'm not going to do anything because all the details are on the other side. I am taking note, don't worry. But I'm quite curious because I'm not expecting anything. So, well, I'm expecting something, but it's definitely not this light. So, but on the other hand, I'd like to show you something that has just come through yesterday. And it is a 1/10 ounce gold Britannia. And yeah, I'm over the moon. It now joins my collection that I've just received this week of the Somali elephant and the Krugerrand. So there's 3/10 of an ounce for you of gold just this week. One I bought, two I've won. So very, very pleased with that result. So let's crack this open. And then we'll resume on to what I discussed on the last video. So I'm just to let you know, I mean, just to show you quickly, it's taped up there. I'm going to cut at the bottom. Only because I don't know what it is. I'm going to pull it off camera very quickly. There's that. And let's see here. I don't know what this is, I have to admit. Hold on. Get that tape off. Okay, this is bizarre. I really do not know what this is at all in the slightest. Oh, okay. It's something bizarre. What? Is there any note in here? Hold on. I didn't order anything. No, there's not a note. There's nothing, honestly. I am confused, guys. Oh! I know what this is! Haha! Sorry, I know this is incredibly stupid and excited. I was expecting something. This is a half-gram Somali elephant. Wow, I got more gold. And I know the pictures are really not doing it justice, so let's see here. There we go. You can see it a little bit better. And if I zoom in a little bit, there it is, half-gram of 4/9. I'm just going to hold my hand steady here. Of 4/9 Somali elephant. And the reason, actually, I did buy this one. The reason I bought it, obviously, was to tie in with its bigger brother, the 1/10 ounce. Let's put them side by side or on top of each other so I can get them both in focus. And it was just a silly purchase. But yeah, it's arrived. I was wondering what that was because I thought, to be honest, I was expecting it to be 100-gram bar of silver, I have to fully admit. And I wanted to open it up live on video because I thought, let's just double check it all. But nope, it's not that. It is something that I was not, well, I was expecting it, but I wasn't expecting it at the same time. But this does come actually from another forum member who I decided to make a purchase with. Yeah, so now as you can clearly see, I'm trying to collect the full thing all the way up to the 1 ounce for the Somali series. So, wow, so there you go. So there's, well, about, I would say much. It's over 1/10 of an ounce. I know that much of gold. So yeah, I feel real cool about that. Excellent, excellent. Right, let's get into something that's not gold first, because I know what these are, or what this is, I believe. But I'm not 100% sure. So let's have a quick peek. So I'm expecting a few bits and bobs, and as I'm sure you can probably tell, this thing here weighs a ton. Oh yeah. So let's just make sure that there's no details in here. On my side, I'll flip it over because I got my address on the other side. And it's not going to go down without a fight without the other sides being cut. Cut on that. Right. Let's see here, see if I can get this thing opened. Oh, no, it's not what I was expecting either. Oh, bonus. Oh, yes. See, I am actually full of surprises right now because I was just going to get messy if I do this. Got my new giant loaf here, okay? This, I believe, it should be one of a few that are coming. And this one here, does it even say? I can't remember. No, it doesn't. Pretty sure this will do more than a kilo, definitely far more than a kilo for a bar. So I'm super stoked about that. And I'll be let's try. I'll lift up the camera. I'm sorry, guys. Zoom out on that. I mean, look at that. That's a monster of a thing. So, yeah, gonna get my my new furnace as well. That'll take that. So I'm super stoked. Super happy, guys. Super. Right, so let's move on to this, which has kindly come from Martin at the Silver Trader. And as you guys may have seen before, I said I probably wasn't going to show off all the content. That's only because my son watches the video. But, let's see here, move that on. Oh. Got another package inside a package, which, yep, that has my details on the front as well. Yep. Let's just rip open the bottom half of this. And as we know, there's another package inside a package, and this one has Martin's details, by the way, for his business address, so it's fine to show you, and this is the Silver Trader. It is okay for me to show you guys that, because it's listed on his website and all that as well. It's not a secret. Alright, so I got, there's a package there. There's another package there, and that's the end of this one. Hoorah! Alright, so there's more Martin's details. Right, so let me have a very quick peek. Because I feel like a kid right now in the candy store. You guys have no idea. I wasn't expecting this much stuff to come at once to do this, but I am super excited that it has. Right. What the heck ones are these ones? These the ones that I can show you, or these ones I can't show you? I believe. I'm not too sure. That's not what I think I ordered, but we'll see. They sure as heck don't look like the other ones. What's in this one? These ones might be the ones I can't show you for sure. But, let's see here. Oh, yes. Okay, just to give you an idea, I'm not going to say, because these are the ones I can't show you, but you know what this is going to be coming. Actually, you know what? My son sees it, he sees it. Let's just crack on. Let's show you guys what I got here, okay? Let's lay out some stuff. So, yes, I know I've paid a premium, but you know what? It is Christmas, and we do all these things, and this is why we do them. So, here we go. Cutting through tons of plastic and time. I'm so sorry, guys. I really am rushing this. Probably pull one out and you guys will be happy, right? It's both the same. So, I got two. There's another one in here. But let's just save on the video, okay? Actually, I didn't order a Krugerrand. I need to... Hold on a minute here. That's not what I ordered. I'm pretty sure I didn't order a Krugerrand. I'm pretty sure I ordered some of the other things. What the heck? Let me just... Yeah, I'm gonna have to check my order. By the way, I got a silver magnet here. I was fairly sure that I had bought the other Bics, what everyone's harping on about right now for those new ones, but I got, hold on, there's two Krugerrands here. And that's not what I ordered, I'm pretty sure. It might have been my mistake. I need to check my order, guys, so I'll let you know. But these ones have definitely what I ordered. And these are for my son's birthday. Sorry, not my son's birthdays. God, my son's Christmas. Well, it's just going to bolt out here because they're going to get put into little baggies anyway. And they're the 1 ounce colorized Christmas bullion with $5 on them, but yeah, sorry, I'm feeling a little bit confused now because I'm pretty dang sure that I placed an order for something different. There's the details. 4 9s fine silver, 1 troy ounce, denomination of $5. The BU color, mintage 2018. So, right, okay, so I'll stick one in each of these. Christmas prezzies. Just little stocking stuffer type things for my boys. And that will do it. But, yeah, anyway, I'll check my my order details, make sure I got it right, because I'm not convinced. But we'll have to check, because I was just speaking to Martin the other day about them, and yeah, I don't know. I know he was operating only on a few hours sleep, so we're only human, right? Well, I'm sure Martin will deal with whatever, if that's the case, or I'll suck it up and deal with that if that's the case. I'm not really sure. So I got 2 special prizes, choose of those. God, I can't speak now either. I have my half a gram. I have my Britannia. And then, of course, what you've seen in the previous videos were these bits of gold, but they don't really count. And I got my monster mold here, which I am super pleased with. I would show you the other package, but right now, guys, I'm gonna focus on ending the video because it's too long as it is. And on top of that, I really need to check out my order from Martin, just to verify that I really did purchase the Krugerrands, which if I did, fine. If I didn't, I need to get these sent back to him or something, you know, ASAP. So, right. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great time, and I'll talk with you later. Thank you for watching. Bye for now, guys.